Penguin is now integrated with the WhatsApp Business API. Currently, our connection to WhatsApp is through Twilio. In this video, we'll cover the various WhatsApp features that are available in Penguin. Let's begin with the WhatsApp CRM. When the WhatsApp CRM is clicked, a common WhatsApp dashboard is displayed. As we can see, there are 3 tabs: Mine, Unassigned, and Closed. Any new chat will appear under the Unassigned tab. Now we can take a chat and assign it to one of our agents. For this demonstration, we've logged in as support. If you're the one who will be working on the chat, you can also assign it to yourself. Once the Assign button is clicked, the chat moves from the Unassigned tab to the Mine tab. The chat we just assigned can be seen here. Once a chat is assigned, various options become available. One such option is sending a message. However, from the perspective of the WhatsApp Business API, only pre-approved templates can be sent. These templates are created in Twilio and configured in our Penguin WhatsApp content template, allowing them to be initiated. We have several initiation templates, one of which is the follow-up template, which can be used if it's an already existing chat. To send a new message, use the Add feature. You can add a new message, include a name, and even add a contact. For instance, when adding a contact and selecting it, you'll notice that the only available template is a preloaded welcome template. This is how we initiate a conversation. Next, click Send. If it's a new contact, a new profile will be created. If the contact already exists, a notification will appear stating that the profile ID already exists, and this conversation will be available in that contact's chat. Now, observe a new chat that has been delivered. Once this chat has been sent, further chats to the customer can't be sent until they respond. This prevents spamming. Once a customer responds, you can continue the chat for the next 24 hours. After that, a default follow-up template will be loaded and can be sent. The conversation can only continue after the customer responds. When the conversation concludes, it can be assigned to another agent or resolved by clicking Resolve. It will then move from your view to the closed chat section. Additionally, there are options to send emoticons. We have included several emoticons for your convenience. You can also attach files from your local computer. The platform also allows for the receipt of files, enabling customers to send passport copies or any invoices directly through WhatsApp. In addition, you can add contacts. When utilizing the new messaging feature, you can create a new message using the Add New Message button. Alternatively, there's an icon that allows you to add a new contact and send them a welcome message during the creation process. If you prefer to add contacts without sending a message, you can use the Add New Contact option to simply add and save a contact. For already created contacts, you have the ability to edit or delete them. Any changes made during the edit process will be saved once you update it. You can also choose to delete contacts. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation of the deletion. If you choose to delete, the contact will be removed. Alternatively, you can cancel the action. To log out of the WhatsApp dashboard, simply click on the relevant icon. Now, let's explore how to use WhatsApp in other ways. One of the options we provide involves using folders. For instance, let's select this folder. You have the option to send the invoice directly from this platform using the WhatsApp icon. Upon clicking, it populates the passenger's name and, if provided, their WhatsApp number. This allows you to send them an invoice along with a payment link or the trip information. This information will be pre-filled and you can send it directly. The recipient can view this message at their convenience. You can also access and send this information from the dashboard. This is one available option. Apart from that, if you need to send a booking confirmation or an invoice format, simply click on Preview. This provides the option to send the invoice format from here using the WhatsApp icon. An accompanying message will be attached, along with the invoice format as a document. You can send this across and it will be reflected in the dashboard under the respective passenger's contact. If the passenger is new, the message will appear as a new chat. In addition to this, there's the Schedule Change Communication feature. This is used when there's a change in the schedule of a flight, or when you need to send mass communication. This feature also allows you to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all clients who meet certain criteria. For example, If they are returning between specific dates, you can generate a list, select all the passengers, Euro, and if they have a WhatsApp number on file, you can select the suitable messaging template and send it. The messages will be dispatched to all selected customers who have provided their WhatsApp numbers. These templates can be accessed in the WhatsApp Content Template section. Here, you can see all the templates being used, their names, formats, and a unique identifier called SID. This field is specific to the provider. After creating the templates in Twilio, you'll need to map them here to ensure they are sent correctly. When you purchase a WhatsApp CRM, it comes with custom-made templates. You'll have these templates included, and you can always add more as needed and use them throughout the application. That concludes our overview of the WhatsApp CRM. We hope the information was clear. Until next time, goodbye.